Today's topic is benefits of buying chemicals in bulk. 5 benefits of buying chemicals in bulk. Number 1, safer. Buying larger drum or gallon sizes means reducing the frequency of replacements. Consistently changing out smaller containers increases the chance of chemical spills in your facility. Choosing larger sizes to potentially decrease the chance of these spills and contaminations in your workplace. Number 2, eco-friendly. Fewer chemical spills in your lab or other facilities also mean fewer chemicals that workers may unknowingly trail outside to the environment during cleanup. Also, when buying in bulk, the amount of packaging needed for shipping can be significantly less. Decreasing the amount of packaging that ends up straight in the trash is one step toward making your company more sustainable. Number 3, cost effective. In many cases, suppliers will offer a lower cost to buy wholesale rather than buying the same product in smaller sizes. This also may result in decreased shipping costs, saving you money that you can invest back into your company or into more chemicals. Number 4, save time and space. Purchasing chemicals pre-blended can be advantageous for your operations, sparing you the time that can be spent manufacturing your products. Buying pre-blending products also reduces inventory and saves space in your facility. Number 5, build a relationship with a supplier. Doing business with the same supplier will ensure that you receive the same product at the same scheduled time. You won't have to worry about quality when you know you'll receive the same high-quality product from the same source each time. Building a trusted, long-lasting relationship with your supplier will help your business function smoothly for years to come. Important things to consider before buying chemicals in bulk. As with any purchase surrounding your company, you should always take a moment to evaluate your situation. Here are a few things to ask yourself before purchasing wholesale. Will I use all of the products I'm about to purchase before the expiration date? Does my facility have storage space for large drums or other containers? And do I have the necessary safety measures in place to house large quantities of potentially hazardous substances? Overbuying may become a problem of safety, storage, and functionality in your facility. Reach out to a chemical supplier with any questions or concerns to see if wholesale is right for you. Wanting to buy chemicals in bulk? Bulk Chemicals To Go supplies companies nationwide with top-tier products. To learn more about our environmentally conscious products, you can visit our website or contact us for more information. We look forward to hearing from you soon. Bulk Chemicals To Go, an affiliate of EcoLink Inc., providing smarter, safer chemicals today, tomorrow, and always.